Hello, I'm Harvey, and welcome back to the third stage of setting up your account on the Heating app. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up additional users, managing your account subscriptions, and adding forms and certificates. We'll also show you how to build your custom forms to streamline your business processes further. To begin, please make sure you are using a desktop computer. Let's dive in and get started. Let's proceed by moving to the top right-hand corner and clicking on the three white lines. Next, select Users from the menu. In the User Information tab, you'll find a drop-down list displaying all the users and their respective details. As the primary user, you have full access to add other users and manage the account on the app. A field user is equipped with their own color-coded calendar, allowing them to efficiently manage their book jobs and appointments. They have the capability to create invoices and quotes, input purchases, and issue forms and certificates. This user level is specifically designed to facilitate effective team management, empowering your field staff to handle their tasks and responsibilities more independently while ensuring seamless coordination and organization within the team. It streamlines the workflow, enhances productivity, and contributes to the overall success of your business operations. You also have the option for a free office user account, which has slightly restricted access. They can run reports, access purchases, forms, certificates, account subscriptions, and book appointments in the diary for the primary user and any additional field users. Additionally, you can provide free access to a bookkeeper. This user will only have access to run reports for invoicing and purchases, enabling them to manage the financial aspects of your accounts efficiently. With these various user access levels, you can ensure that different team members have the appropriate permissions to perform their tasks effectively, while maintaining control over the overall account management. Let's proceed to add a new user by clicking on the plus sign located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, click on the box labeled User Type to access a drop-down box with the available user types. For this example, we'll set up a field user. Fill in the new user's name, email, contact number, and address details below. Ensure that their email is different from the primary account holder's email, so that they can receive email notifications for the tasks assigned to them in the app. Include their contact number, address, and postcode for accurate contact information. When we reach the color section, it's essential as it will help distinguish their calendar appointments from yours and any other additional field users. Click on the drop-down box labeled Color. You'll see a color dial. Move the dial on the right-hand side to select your preferred color, and then adjust the dial on the left to pick the desired shade. Once you're satisfied with your color choice, click OK to save the selection. The user will now be displayed using the chosen color scheme in the calendar, making it easy to identify their appointments and tasks. This way, you can effectively manage their schedule and tasks while maintaining a well-organized and coordinated team effort. Once you have reviewed and confirmed all the details of the user, click on the Save button. If you need to edit any user details, simply click on the pencil icon located on the left-hand side of their information. This will allow you to make changes and update their profile as necessary. In case you want to remove a user, click on the bin icon next to their name, and they will be deleted from the active user list. However, if you accidentally deleted a user and want to reinstate them, click on the green file icon with the arrow on it. This will take you to the Archived Users section, where you can review previously deleted users. To reactivate a user, click the arrow icon next to their name, and they will be restored as an active user. This flexibility in managing users ensures that you can adjust your team's composition and access levels based on your business needs, making the app adaptable and convenient for your day-to-day operations. Let's move on to managing your subscription for using the Heating app. To do this, head to the top right-hand corner and click on the 3 white lines. Then select Subscription from the menu. This will allow you to review and configure your subscription details, ensuring you have the appropriate plan and features for your business needs. After your 1-month free trial, you'll have the option to continue using the app with a paid subscription. You can choose between a monthly payment plan or an annual payment plan. Opting for the monthly plan gives you the flexibility to cancel your subscription at any time without any long-term commitment. On the other hand, if you select the annual plan, you'll receive a discounted amount, effectively reducing the monthly subscription price. It's essential to note that we do not offer refunds if you decide to cancel your subscription partway through the year. To choose the plan that best suits your business, consider your needs and preferences carefully. If you have a promotion code, enter the code and click the Apply button to ensure you receive any applicable discounts. Next, click on Continue to select Billing Account to review and verify the billing details. If you need to make any changes, you can do so at this stage. Once you are satisfied with the billing information, click Save. Now, you will see all of your users and the total amount for the plan you have selected. If you need to add a new user, click the Add User button. Additionally, if you require any changes to the billing details, you can click the Change Billing Details button to make the necessary adjustments. Once you are happy with everything and have reviewed all the information, click the Subscribe button to join the Heating app family officially. By doing so, you'll gain access to all the app's features and functionalities, helping you streamline your business operations and enhance your overall efficiency, productivity, and we look forward to supporting your business success. We will now begin the process of adding forms and certificates. Here, you'll find a variety of pre-made forms designed to cater to your industry, and you'll also have the option to create your own or modify the existing pre-made forms. To get started, head to the top right-hand corner and click on the 3 white lines. Then, select Forms and Certificates. On this page, you will notice 3 sections: Published, Draft, and Templates. Each section serves a specific purpose in managing your forms and certificates. In the Published section, you will find all the forms and certificates that have been finalized and are ready for use. These are the documents that have been completed and are available for generating and sharing with your customers or clients. The Drafts section will contain any forms or certificates that you have started but have not yet finalized or published. These are works in progress that you can continue to edit or complete before making them available for use. Let's proceed to add a new form by clicking the Templates button. You'll now see a list of pre-made forms. I'll select Certificate of Chimney Sweeping for solid fuel and click the View button to have a quick preview of the form, showing what the customers will see when they receive it. Your logos will appear at the top of the certificate. Now, let's click the Publish button to make this form available for use. To edit the form name, you can do this in the Form Name box. Next, choose who the form will be sent to by clicking the Send to box. This will provide a list of options, such as householder and tenant, landlord or agent, insurance company, and ourselves, the account user. These options correspond to the different types of contacts available in the app, which we'll cover in another video. If you accidentally add someone by mistake, you can remove them by clicking the X next to their name. If you want your customer to sign the form, click the Customer Signature box. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you now have the option to either publish, preview, or save the form for later. Clicking Save for Later will move the form to the Draft section, whereas clicking Publish will make it available in the Publish section for immediate use in the app. Repeat the process to add any additional forms, and if you want to delete any form, simply click the Delete Form option. To customize the pre-made templates, click the Copy button next to the template you want to edit. This will create a duplicate of the document, allowing you to make the necessary modifications without affecting the original. Additionally, if you wish to create a completely new form from scratch, click on the plus sign located in the top right corner of the screen. This action will open a new form creation page, where you can start building your form according to your specific requirements. For a more detailed guide on using all the fields and creating your own custom form, you can refer to the dedicated tutorial video that explains this process step by step. This video will walk you through each element, ensuring you can create a tailored form that perfectly aligns with your business needs and preferences. In the last video for setting up your account, we will guide you through exploring the various types of reports that can be exported, as well as the process of recording purchases. See you in the next video, and let's continue optimizing your experience with the Heating app.